Riwruok mar okinde ma pacho ka LSK ogolo pachgi kaluwore kod buche ma omako jotelo mabende doho osebedo ka thicho oko. Wadani koro wawinjane kaka giloso gie sani mar ng'eyo ni to gin ang'o gini ma nyaka gie sani wachore. Jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga oseikore yo makare mondo nyiswa ni nyaka gie sani gin ang'o gini ma LSK osewacho gie kindeni. Nyaka gie sani wawinjane nyaka Ramogi gik madhi nyime.
We invite anarchy and chaos. Ladies and gentlemen, that marks the end of our statement. We can take any questions. Yes.
The argument was that, first of all, he had written several letters to the PCI requesting them to see the gap in the case. Then number two, regarding the investigating officer, that equally was supposed to submit or rather give a statement which in such an instance, what was he supposed to do? Now you're right.
The question then would be, how did they arrive at the decision to charge the former MD of Kenya Power if they had such gaps in their evidence? Are they saying that what has changed? The question is, what has changed in that situation? By the time they were making the decision to charge him, they must have known of the gaps. And I think that is the explanation that he must give the country. Was it a political decision, or was it a decision that was based on the evidence that was placed before him at that particular time? If it is a question of discovery of new information or evidence that was not available at the time of making the decision to charge, then we will be dealing with a completely different matter. And we must also not lose sight of the fact that the director of criminal investigations has also resigned from office. So we have to ask ourselves, are these two events related? And there must be accountability for a public officer and a state officer in terms of how they use the powers donated to them by the Constitution.
Nyako Ramogi mano kanyo endo chiel kachiel weche ma bende wuok dho okinde ma duoko wach kotenre gi weche ma owachi mar wito oko kata weche mag wito oko moko kuom buche ma osebed kewinja inya kotenre kod weche mag mibadhi ma bende mako moko kuom jodito mag piny owacho kata jotelo manitiere gi lemo mamalo e bede migepe mag piny owacho. Nyako Ramogi mana kaka weche chalo gi sani okinde go ni kod penjo mopogore opogore ma giwacho ni winjo bed ni ng'iyo malo